Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm here with Donna, our beautiful young designer, working at the same level you are right now. So, can you give me some feedback on so far what you've gathered in such a short amount
So
of time?
we've learned the history of fashion. We've kind of gone through how the silhouettes of fabrics have changed over time. A lot of it is reflective on the history of what happened during that time as well. So if something kind of dark happened, like during the Black Plague, everyone's like it was a more somber time, a more serious time. So we went from frills and tears and extravagant clothing and exposing clothing to something more conservative. And like that's just an example of how it shifted. And then also we learned about necklines. We learned about we're about to learn about sleeves here in a second, but we learned about our necklines. We learned about how the necklines are also connected to certain times in history as well. So yeah, that's what we learned.
And now we're on to our history of sleeves.